Hey, what's up guys, I'm Indina. In today's video we're doing how much money Datboyarjin makes on his channel. Now guys, it's important to know that his main channel, I don't know, just disappeared. I can't find it anyway on social plate, but today we're gonna be, but that's not a problem. So today we're gonna be calculating on his live through Arjin's channel, this channel right here. I'm gonna be calculating this channel right here. Yeah, you can see that. So guys, it is estimated that he earns around $49 to $790 per month, but we don't want that. We want an exact number, right? So on a monthly basis, Datboyarjin gets 252,000 views and 365 per month. That's how many views he gets on a monthly basis. Now that we have that number, we're gonna divide it by 1,000 and then times it by the RPM, which in this case is 31 rand, to get 7,823 rands, 31 cents. That's how much money Datboyarjin makes on his YouTube channel on a monthly basis. I don't know what happened to his main channel, but I can't find it right here. Maybe it got terminated or suspended, I don't know, but that's how much money he makes on the second channel, which is live through Arjin. Or maybe it is the main channel, just change the name. But anyway, that's it from me today. Please subscribe and click on the video on the screen right now, and I'll catch you there.